Hey guys, this is a very short video that I'm going to make today. This is a beauty blender which I got on Amazon. It's like super cute and it has a storage box also. It has 4 sponges, that is your 4 beauty blenders of different shapes for your different usage. Hi Zara, this is not for you. So, and it's like extremely soft and spongy. Nobody believes that this is like just 200 bucks. It's a total worth purchase that I had till now, and the best beauty blender, I guess. It's so soft, guys. And the box, coming to the box, it's like very good, super strong and sturdy. The lock is also very good. Zara, you liked it? Oh, yes. So even she likes it. Like, this is a very short video that I had to make about this beauty blender. Thank you guys for staying with Hams today for this short video. Don't forget to subscribe to Stay with Hams, and as well as we have Zara here today, so don't forget to subscribe to Zara's channel also. So I'll be putting up the link of this beauty blender with the box in the description, so you can go and check it out. Bye Zara.